before we start with Surya Namaskar practice, let's see the preparation, okay? The standing position, Samastitihi. Your 2 feet are parallel. You can keep your feet together or you can keep your feet apart. Both are fine. What we don't want to do is outer rotation. We don't want to do inner rotation. Just keep your feet parallel so your knees are pointing in the same direction of your toes. But then you can choose feet together is a little bit more challenging, or you can choose feet apart. You might feel it a little bit more stable. Both are good. It's just different, and you can choose whatever you feel is good for your body today. Then your feet are pressing down onto the earth, okay? It's like growing roots into the earth. The legs are active, lower belly in, perineal muscles are active, and you're lengthening the spine. It seems like from the top of the head, there's an invisible cord pulling you up, lengthening, creating space in between the vertebrae. The chest is open, so we bring shoulder blades towards the center. Now, we don't want to be rounding the back, and we don't want to be opening the chest too much and collapsing our back. So we need to find the middle point, okay? So it's not here, arching, it's not rounding. There is a middle point where we are able to open up the chest, but we can also open up the back. And then both hands are besides your body. Now, we have to be careful with the head. Sometimes the head is slightly forward, especially because we use phone, computer, and then we have this tendency. So bring your chin back, down, and back until the head is in line with your spine. Chest open, back open, head in line with your spine, arms besides your body. Samastitihi.